Next, we have a theatre workshop by Lucrezia. She's come all the way from Italy. Yet another beautiful dancer and an established theatre artist based in Milan in Italy. Lucrezia is a Bharatanatyam and drama artist, teacher and scholar based in Italy. In 1993, she started studying theatre and working on the stage. Then she got her graduation in acting at the theatre school in Milan. And she's been working there since 2000 and has been giving a lot of performances as a part of this company. She then completed her education and attended a lot of workshops with different famous directors. And she's been learning Bharatanatyam for the past 10 years in Italy and under late Srimati Krishnaveni Lakshman's students. Since 2006, she is undergoing intense training under the tutelage of Padma Shri Adiyar K. Lakshmanan at Bharata Chudamani in Chennai, where she took her dance diploma after her debut performance at Kapalishwara Temple in 2009. She is also learning Carnatic vocal and Natvangam under Bhagavatulu Sita Rama Sharma and Abhinaya from Srimati Indira Kadambi. Her passion for Indian culture motivated her to complete her masters in Indology from the University of Milan, where she presented a dissertation on Indian classical theatre. On graduating, Lucrezia was awarded a prestigious scholarship by the University of Milan for pursuing 1 year of advanced studies in Bharatanatyam in India. During that time, she performed a Bharatanatyam solo at the R.K. Swami Auditorium in Mylapore, invited by her Mohiniyattam teacher Kalaimamani Gopika Varma, and also presented a short program for the Shaila Sudha Festival in 2011 at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. Lucrezia is also the founder of an association for promoting Indian classical performing arts in Italy. Since 2002, she is teaching drama in private schools for theatre studies and in secondary high schools. And she is also teaching Bharatanatyam in many cultural centers in Italy. She is also a performer and choreographer for various groups like Dunia, Milon, and the Dennis Stern Project. She is a member of Abhay and a CID UNESCO 2010 member. Recently, Lucrezia received a prestigious fellowship from the UK-based organization Milap Fest for traveling and for deepening her studies in Bharatanatyam. We have Lucrezia. Please do come.
Can you all hear me properly? Okay. The first part of this workshop will be more under us, so maybe the public, I don't know what, can enjoy. Then they will enjoy the second part because we will perform something. So at the beginning of a theater workshop, somebody has attending last year my workshop. So we are doing lots of funny exercise. So we don't have to be afraid, nobody is judging us. We are only here to enjoy. So don't worry and try to do as whatever you think is right, you do. Don't think of anything else. I got a beautiful presentation from Bijana, all my CV was read it. So I have to know actually more about you. So the first part will be the presentation of ourselves, but in a very simply way. So please come closer to me, a little good distance between us. That's okay, that's good. So one by one, we will say our name very loudly because I have mic but you don't have mic. Very loudly and everybody should repeat it, but in rhythm, very fast. So my name is Lucrezia. Repeat. Lucrezia. Yes, like that with strong energy. Indira. Madhu. Janan. Sahana. Sumita. Anita. Kavita. Adir. Anuradha. Hasana. Jagan. Hasman. Rashmi. Aryamba. Usha. Ranjit. Yugi. Thank you. Very good. first. Then now I can't remember even one name, no? Maybe you know each other, so it's easier for you. So then we will do one more thing. This is a principle of action and reaction that is the basic in theater. Thank you, Akka. It was amazing. Please, please, we will come and enjoy your performance. Sure. Thank you. So what will happen now? I will ask each and every one to do the same thing, saying your name, but with one action. Doesn't matter what you do. Do not think now I have to do something very strange, very particular. No, whatever it comes linked to your name, one gesture and your name. For example, I do this one. Lucrezia. That's all. But all of us, we have to say the same name and repeat the gesture too.
The same rhythm?
Whatever, no, you can slow down. You can work on your name. If your name is long, for example, I can spell it slower. I can get it faster. Welcome, please. So whatever you like, you can play with your name. But I have to understand it because otherwise I won't remember. Okay? Do whatever you like.
Indira.
That's good. Indira, but we have to repeat all together in the same time. So do it again once more. Indira. Nice, good. Madhu. Good. Jal. Yes. Kartika. Please don't feel shy, and if you are shy, doesn't matter, but we try to be shy like them. Sahana. Sumita. Anita. Kavita. Anuradha. Very powerful. Sahana. Good, good, Sahana. Jagan. Handsman. Good. Rashmi. Aryappa. Usha. Ragini.
Chirag.
Chirag.
Ranjit.
Ranjit.
Yugesh.
Yogi. That's good. So we have already done theater. This is theater. It's one action, one intention means that something you can make a film out of each and every one of us, no? And that there is also a text. That is this. So it's fine. So now we know at least 2 or 3 of this of the name of the other. So what we do now, we start working with this gesture. We will send an impulse like this. Only this movement I am sending to him, for example, he is receiving with the same and sending to another. But he has to say the name of somebody. For example, I send to Usha, I saying her name, Usha. She will take it like this and send to another person with their name.
Kritika.
Yes, Kritika, take it.
Madhu.
Take first and then send. Yes, she wants it back. So please give it back.
Jagan.
He was not ready. Hi.
That's it I'm listening. Ranjit. Sumita.
Oh, very funny. Good, Sahana. Take it and send to anybody. Also to your brother. Good, good.
Kavita.
it's a trick. This is a trick. Huh? All the tricks are admitted. So there's no rules in theater. Everything is admitted. But please be careful. Now what we have to do, this is the exercise, but we have to do properly. First, don't think of the action. Think first of the reaction. Because if I give all the efforts to curl her and she's not taking mine, all my efforts will gone. So will be lost. So first take it. After that you can think. If you don't remember the name, you can give it back to the other person. You can find a trick. Don't show me that you don't know any names. Don't show me that you are thinking, oh my God, like this. No. You take it and you hold. You hold it in your hand. And it's in your hand the time. So you can do fast, you can do slowly. You can extend. Somebody was doing very strong. You can do very, very soft. Whatever you like, but please try to be careful of these things. Madhu.
Again. Lucretia.
Indira. Usha. Yes, Indira. Take it. Kavita.
Reshmi.
Now first is
Kritika.
Usha. Madhu. Take it. Okay. Yes, take it, Sahana. Fast, then send. Yes, fast, good. Anuradha, good.
What is your name? And your
Fida. Second. The man next to me.
Tell your name, please, that you came later. Yes, that's beautiful. Anand.
Anna. Take that. Take it.
take it back.
Manish Swati.
Good. Also my surname. Fantastic. Chirag. He's holding a bowl actually, no? It's only an impulse. Chirag, be quiet. No, thank you. Also, you know my surname. It's so famous now. Okay, that's good. So now, you know what happens? When I told you to be careful, you started doing very slow and everybody was doing slow. This will have all the tension of people will be like, okay, we are in the same rhythm. What we have to do, it's always surprising. So surprise yourself and you will surprise. So please, last time, try to do rhythm variations. No, also here it's like in dance, it's like in everyday, in all kinds of arts, we have to variate everything. So now try to do it sometimes faster, sometimes slow, with different intention. We can also move our body. You use your body. Sahana. Good.
Kavita. Ranjit. Kavita.
Good. Fast, take it and give it back. Good.
Chirag.
Jalan. Okay, good, well done. So now what we will do, we will start walking only in this place, so only on the stage. Please don't be hurt by the things here and there. So we will walk, but we have to be careful of this. So we try to walk as normal as we can, trying to use our foot properly, so to bring, not walking like this, or very normal but very simple, with our hands down, and we try to keep one rhythm. If we have to count from 0 to 10, we have a rhythm level of 5. That is a medium level, no? Like we are not walking fast, we are not walking slow. Medium level, go. Walk. Full space, we have to cover the full space. So please don't leave any hole, yes, here and there. Be careful. Your face, your eyes open, yes. And you can walk any way. You can walk back, little side. Never crash with anybody. Yes. It's rhythm 5. So not too fast, not too slow. Try to breathe. Yes, very good, Sahana. Now we increase the speed. So from 0 to 10 we are going on 5. Now we increase to 8. Little faster. Yes, like you are little in hurry. Speed 2. Slow down to 2. Now 10, faster, but only walking, is not running. Faster, 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 as much as you can on 10, speed 10. Try to cover the space, do not crash with anybody. This is the faster walk that you can do. Faster walk, not running, but faster, faster. You are really late. 1 hour late at first day of your work, first day of your class. Now number 4, slow, slow, okay. We are walking, we are having a walk, nice. So we can go slowly. 6. Nine. Be careful of space, there is empty here, lots of crowd. 1. The slowest walk that you can do, slowest. So everybody is in your control, you know exactly where you are going, how you are placing your feet, and keep open your eyes. Breathe very slow. Usually when we are going so slow, maybe it's for some special reason. Maybe we are sad, we can link to an emotion too. So maybe we are sad. We don't want to go. It's like something enforcing us not to go. Then suddenly something changed, and 7, rhythm 7, speed 7. Not so fast because it's 8, 9, 10 there is. So 7. Faster than normal. 10. Again 10, 10. And stop. Where you are. Okay, stop where you are. When we stop as we are. So stop also the eyes. All the walking that you did before is inside you. So stop is not stop, but it's actually the maximum speed. And go. Same 10. I didn't slow down. Faster, faster, faster. Stop. Go. Stop. Be careful of the space. Go. Stay there with your eyes too. Very concentrate and feel the movement inside your body. Stop. keep. Breathe, and in the breathing, feel the movement. Go. Stop. Go. Number 3, slow. We take the breathe. Yes, try to use now what I told you before, but somebody forgot it. So to use all kinds of walking. And when you see somebody in the eyes, keep for a while a contact, then you can turn and change. You can always turn your walking. So when I am seeing somebody, I will watch for a while in the eyes and then I'll go. And I use full space, don't forget everything. Good girl. 8, fast. Same thing. But now try to use more this walking in one side, in another side without crashing and lots of people here and there. Yes, like this. Nice. Stop. Okay, be there, be there. Now what we do, when I say go, I leave to you. If you can, be concentrate, so concentrate that you will stop together without, I'm saying stop. Like if somebody is telling in your ears, now we will stop all together. I should not see, actually the impulse will come from one person, but I should not see who is starting. So if the stop and the go will be done from everybody all together without any signal, okay? Go. And the walking is on 8.